What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're still going to learn about prompt engineering for learning languages. However, we're not going to use Flow GPT anymore. Instead, we're going to use Aspos, alright? So I'm just going to show you like another tool that you can consider to use for getting prompt for learning languages and vocabularies, right? So just type in language here, alright? So language. Or maybe just type in English, especially if you want to learn English. And as you guys can see, you have like three different options here. So you have English translator and improver, right? Depending on your need, make sure that you pick the one that will suit your objective. You have English pronunciation helper, right? And also spoken English teacher and improver. So for example, you just want to improve your English. Why don't we try to use this prompt? So just gonna copy this and let's go to our chat GPT and then paste it here. So I want you to act as an English translator, spelling corrector and improver. I'll speak to you in any language and you will detect the language, translate it and answer it in the corrected and improved versions of my text in English. Alright, so here we go. I'm just gonna enter. Right? Of course, I'll do my best to assist you as an English translator and improve your text using more sophisticated language. Alright, so I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to intentionally make a grammatical mistake. Alright, so I'm just gonna test it out. Correct my grammatical mistake. I eat food yesterday. All right, so actually it should have been ate because that's going to be the verb 2 past tense, but we'll see if ChatGPT is able to fix that mistake. Right. All right, I consumed nourishment yesterday. Okay, pretty cool. So ChatGPT generated like a new response that still has the same meaning, but with more sophisticated version of English, right? So what about if I try to speak in different language and see if ChatGPT is able to translate that sentence to English, all right? So I'm going to speak in my native language, which is Indonesian. So selamat pagi, something like this. And we'll see if ChatGPT is going to translate that word to English, right? Okay, I don't know why it takes so long. All right, cool. So now it has been translated, as you guys can see here, which is great. All right, let's try to do one more thing here. I will intentionally create like grammatical mistake again, and then I will ask ChatGPT to correct my grammatical mistake, right? So I'm going to type in kind of the same thing here, correct my grammatical mistake, right? And this time I'm going to make a pretty stupid mistake actually. See, or beautiful. It should have been says beautiful, right? But we'll see if ChatGPT is going to correct this. See, it's beautiful, right? So yeah, that's how it works, guys. I know like these examples that I showed you are pretty basic, but you can actually use this for any purpose, right? For any activity, you might want ChatGPT to generate you different phrase or paraphrase your sentences, or maybe you want ChatGPT to translate your paragraphs, or maybe fix your grammatical mistake, or whatever your purpose is. Definitely this prompt is going to be very useful, right? So yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn prompt engineering for email template, right? So I'll see you guys there.